How's it going, everyone? It's Dr. Brian Beard, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in the south loop of Chicago, and today I'm with one of our longtime patients, Sophia. Sophia's been coming in here for 4 years, and after her initial care plan, she felt much better. We still had a few things to work on, so what we're doing today is what's called corrective care. Corrective care is coming in once or twice a month to make sure that all the progress we made and all that pain that we got rid of doesn't come back in the future, and we just make sure you're staying healthy with regular adjustments. All right, Sophia, go ahead and go face down for me. So supportive care is a lot like corrective care, except the frequency is different. So we're still going to be doing a full spine adjustment. Actually, Sophia, you get your neck adjustment? Yes, that's right. So we're using the orthostem to help relax tension on the knees. Go ahead and take a deep breath in, and relax the shoulders. Good. Good. Go on your side, face me this way. And the top knee. So close. One day. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Excellent. Oh my gosh, it's been a while.
That's a holiday crash.
That's a holiday crash. Take a deep breath in. And out. There we go. Go on your back. So lastly, we'll get the neck adjusted. How's your neck been feeling?
I think it's okay.
Good. Right there. So, okay. One more, get the neck adjusted on the left side, left to the left shoulder. There we go. Easy peasy. Alright, go ahead and grab my elbow. Come on up. Alright, and that is a supportive care patient adjustment. So, if you like that video and you're interested in learning about more, make sure you like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and like the page. Catch you in the next one.